Good morning to all. Myself T. Revati from the Department of ECE in Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. Today, my topic about Y parameters in terms of H parameters. Go to the definitions of Y parameters and H parameters. Firstly, Y parameters are known as admittance parameters. If the terms I1 and I2 are represented in terms of V1 and V2, then such parameters are known as Y parameters or admittance parameters. The general equation of Y parameters is given as I1 is equals to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. I2 is equals to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. Matrix representation of above equation I1 I2 is equals to matrix of y11 y12 y21 y22 into v1 v2. Definition of H parameters. H parameters are also known as hybrid parameters. If the terms where v1 and I2 are represented in terms of I1 and v2, those parameters are known as hybrid parameters or H parameters. The general equation of H parameters v1 is equal to h11 I1 plus h12 v2. I2 is equal to h21 I1 plus h22 v2. Matrix representation of the above equation. I1 I2 is equal to matrix of h11 h12 h21 h22 into I1 v2. Problem on Y parameter in terms of H parameter, where H parameters of general equation values to convert into Y parameters. Now the general equation of Y parameter is given as I1 is equals to y11 v1 plus y12 v2. Take it as equation 1. I2 is equals to y21 v1 plus y22 v2. Take it as equation 2. The general equation of H parameters is given as y v1 is equal to h11 I1 plus h12 v2. Equation 3, I2 is equal to h21 I1 plus h22 v2 as equation 4. Now we have to observe here in Y parameters equation 1 I1, V1 and V2 are the terms in equation 1, and in H parameters equation 3 has terms V1, I1 and V2. So H parameters of equation 3 we have to convert into equation 1. From equation 3, H11 I1 is equals to V1 minus H12 V2. Written as I1 is equal to 1 by H11 V1 minus H12 by H11 V2. Equation 5. On substituting equation 5 in equation 4, then equation 4 has I2 is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2, where in equation 4 where I1 we have to substitute equation 5. H21 into H1 by H11 V1 minus H12 by H11 V2 plus H22 V2. I2 is equals to H21 by H11 into V1 minus H12 H21 by H11 V2 plus H22 V2. I2 is equals to H21 by H11 into V1 plus bracket of H22 H11 minus H12 H21 by H11 in whole bracket close V2. Now we have to compare from equation 3 and 4 equation in terms of Y parameters is where I11 is equals to 1 by H11, Y21 is equals to H21 by H11, where Y12 is equals to minus of H12 by H11, Y22 is equals to H22 minus H11 minus H12 into H21 by H11. Thank you.